Hello guys, welcome. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other best websites to pay you instantly in your Faucet Pay. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, this one is the website. The website name is Instant Satoshi. Okay, link in description. How to login is very easy. I show you login in the last video. Okay, now I'm login in this website, and I'm going to share with you how you can earn. Okay, you have multiple way to earn much more cryptocurrency from this website. Just you earn Bitcoin from this website. Click PTC hats, the first one. You can earn watching this advertisement, 3 Satoshi, 3 Satoshi, 1 Satoshi, like this. Just click. Oh, wait a minute, just watching this ads for 10 seconds, and you can be found your best way. Okay, now you type blood type. Okay, click submit, and now you can see you and your Satoshi. Okay, 3 Satoshi I earned. Just I go back to my website and reload the page. You earn the Satoshi. Okay, go to your overview. You can see I earned 3 Satoshi. Okay, now you can Faucet list. This is all Faucet list. You can click and you can watch all Faucet list, and you can claim all these, or you can go to surfing hats. The surfing hats is very easy. Just watch hats 20 seconds and you earn this much. Just click this website and don't watch, but then close the page. Okay, after 10 seconds they pay you for Satoshi. Okay, one, and just type this. Okay, and click submit, and you can earn for Satoshi. Okay, this one is very easy, and you can earn much more from this. And you can go to earn, you can go to short links, you can visit short links and earn much more cryptocurrency. And this much is short links available in this website. If you watch all these, you can earn much more. Or you can go to offer walls. Just click offer walls. You can complete offers in here. Okay, any offer you want, you can complete offer in your phone or any tablet or your computer. Okay, this offer some of these for phone, or some of these are not for phone. Okay, just you can go in here. Faucet have another best way to claim. Every this time you claim 2 or 4 Faucet. Okay, just click reward, just type. Okay, and just come down, click claim reward. Okay, you can claim your reward. This one is very easy. I earned 3 Satoshis. And this is all other things. Games, you can play games, and you can multiply your earning. And you can go to lottery, buy a lottery ticket, and you can earn much more. Okay, this much lottery ticket is buying, and this much 5 days is currently in round. You can buy ticket. Every ticket is 1 Satoshi. Okay, this person have this much Satoshi, and this one earn this much ticket as this much Satoshi they earn. Okay, This one is very easy. You can buy your tickets and just be on luck. Okay, and this all. Now I click withdraw. This website will pay me or not. Just click withdraw. In Faucet Pay, yes, click Faucet Pay and paste your password. Click submit, and we watch what this say. Okay, this one say the payment has been sent. This website pay me instantly. The minimum withdrawal is 1 satoshi. The maximum is no maximum withdrawal. You can withdraw how much you earn. I come to my Faucet Pay, go to dashboard, and now come down. Today is my one, and you can see this website pay me 10 satoshi. Okay, this website pay me 100%. Just come here, register yourself and watch all advertisement. You can earn much more. This website link in description. Please subscribe to my channel, and goodbye.